For this one, we're going to take a look at the dry brush technique. And this one, I'm actually going to use a little bit of a smaller brush. So this is a really good technique if you want to get fine lines and details. So with this one, it's really important that whatever color you are choosing to use has been properly saturated with water. So it's been sitting in there for quite a bit of time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take my paper towel, wipe off my brush, and I am going to go in here, and I want this to be more paint than water. So I want this to be pretty thick. So with this one, when you paint, you should be able to paint a fine line without it bleeding or running over. I like to think about you should be able to write your name, okay? So this one is a really good one to just practice drawing lines. You can do any colors with this, but kind of think of it as a pen ink, and you can see as you put it together, if you were creating grass or something like that, it's going to be a really good one for getting those fine details.